That sinking feeling when you spend $47 on organic fertilizer and your tomatoes still look worse than your neighbor's chemical-fed ones?
You're doing everything right, ditching the synthetics, protecting your grandkids. But these expensive organic products aren't delivering the plant health you expected. Here's what most organic fertilizers miss completely. They give you NPK, but ignore the 250 beneficial microbes your plants actually need to thrive. It's like taking vitamins without the gut bacteria to absorb them. My Elm Dirt Plant Juice contains those missing microbes. The same ones that make forest soil so incredibly fertile without any fertilizer at all. Sarah switched from her $40 organic blend to plant juice and watched her pepper plants double in size within 3 weeks. No more choosing between family safety and garden success.
Click the link below to get your first bottle for just $29 with free shipping. You'll finally have the missing piece that makes organic gardening actually work.